Hello viewers, today we'll be discussing about the topic divergence, which is one of the important leading technical indicator. So divergence is an important concept which is observed between the price and the indicator. So with the help of divergence, you can get early signals to entry or exit the trade. So divergence can be of two types, positive and negative. So let's talk about positive first. If the prices are making lower lows and the indicator is making higher lows, it means the stock has lost the momentum in the downward direction and we can wait for the trend reversal to happen and we can take our position and the price went up. So this is called positive divergence. So next is negative divergence. If the price is making higher high and the indicator is making lower high, it means the price has lost the momentum in the upward direction and we can expect the price to come down. So we can patiently wait for the trend reversal to happen and we can take our position. So this is called negative divergence. So this is how we take a trade using divergence with the help of RSI. And also, if you want to learn more on technical analysis, please do like and share our video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Your support will motivate us to do more of such useful videos. And also, please let us know in the comment section if you want any particular video or topic on technical analysis. Thank you.